Family Camp is an all-inclusive vacation for the family with a purpose. It's so exciting to have people come here to camp and be able to get away from their regular schedules, have their meals taken care of. Moms don't have to clean up after the dishes. We have so many things going on, lots of different activities, so you can be as busy as you want on the waterfront, on the zip line, trail riding with the horses. When you leave your regular schedule, it really helps to have a place that is away from your normal life. And so this place really lets you see God's creation in full view, and so you can quiet down and slow down and hear God speak.
Maranatha, of course, means Lord, come quickly. And Family Camp does help moms and dads, grandmas and grandpas get ready for life, for another year of life. It's a place where people come, they quiet down, they hear God speak, and they make decisions, biblically based decisions. It's a biblical Christian worldview that all of our programming takes place in. A typical chapel, for example, at Family Camp would include some music, and then we invite in a speaker. We also have children's programming for the little ones and a teen breakout session as well. All of these from a biblical Christian worldview perspective.
One of our things that we love the most is in the mornings we have a family chapel, and in that we give you the tools to do your family devotions together, and that way when you go home you've started a new habit of getting together and reading the Bible and talking about God's truth together. So there is something for everybody, and the best part is you get to learn the Word together.
My favorite memory from Maranatha is our first year. The Lord really worked in my heart as a mom to knit my heart into my family in a transformative way. I have never been the same since that camp. Literally driving home that year, I was a different mom than I was when we left. The concentrated time together, sleeping in the same room, spending time together, having new experiences together. The Lord used it all to change me, and I have been forever grateful for that.
We have everything from a nice big lake, a swimming pool, archery, horseback riding, zip line, great food, air-conditioned places to sleep, and we have great accommodations for even very large families, as well as motel-style rooms for smaller groups. I think if you came to Family Camp, you would really enjoy it. As I say, I've been watching family campers come and have a great time for 50 years now.
We have so many people tell us as they visit Family Camp and be a part of it that it changes their family culture. They get to enjoy their family like they never have before. So we hope you can come and join us and do the same.